Do you remember that beginning? When the seeds of dreams fall into just 9 square meters of soil, a piece of drawing, a regional aspiration, and a seemingly unattainable sea of stars. In those days, the world is small, that can only contain few single person and our imaginations for the future. But today, Wanshsin has started a fresh new journey. We're standing there is not only a booth, but also a stage, a window for us to communicate with global partners and an answer sheet written with hard work. What we bring is not only precise transmission, but also the hardcore strength and unlimited potential of Chinese manufacturing. Our innovative practice have attracted the attention of global industrial media. The authoritative voice in the European industrial field, machinery market, focuses on Wanshsin. A deep conversation with the editor-in-chief is a recognition for not only our technological strengths, but also Chinese brand globalization strategy.
Wanshsin nice.
Wanshsin nice.
Wanshsin nice. Wanshsin nice.
Wanshsin nice. Wanshsin nice. Wanshsin nice.
Wanshsin nice.
Wanshsin nice.
This is the highlight moment for Wanshsin, and we will continue to work together with global partners towards the future with excellent products and solutions.